Once upon a time, in a peaceful little town, there was a young girl named Emily. She loved to dream big and read books about superheroes. One night, as she was falling asleep, she had the most wonderful dream. In her dream, she found herself in a magical land, where the sky was always blue and the flowers bloomed year-round. Suddenly, a radiant figure appeared before her. It was Wonder Woman. "Emily," said Wonder Woman, "you have been chosen to help the people of this land. They are in need of your kindness and bravery." Emily felt a surge of excitement and determination. "But how can I help?" she asked. "I'm just a little girl." Wonder Woman smiled and said, "Remember, Emily, even the smallest actions can make the biggest difference. Let's start by cleaning up this messy forest." Together, they worked tirelessly, clearing away fallen leaves and branches. As they worked, the forest began to bloom even more beautifully than before. The animals of the forest came out to thank them, and the people of the land were amazed by Emily's kindness. One day, a terrible storm came, threatening to destroy the peaceful land. Emily and Wonder Woman worked together to protect the people and the land. With Wonder Woman's strength and Emily's quick thinking, they were able to guide everyone to safety. When the storm had passed, the people of the land thanked Emily for her bravery and kindness. They presented her with a beautiful bracelet, just like Wonder Woman's. As Emily awoke from her dream, she felt a sense of peace and happiness. She realized that even though she was just a little girl, she could make a difference in the world. She went to sleep that night with a smile on her face, knowing that she could be a hero too. The end.